First thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven. We're going to preheat it to 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit or gas mark 4. Next we're going to beat our butter and our sugar till it's light and fluffy, and then we're going to gradually add our eggs and our vanilla essence. Again, I'm using a mixer, an electric mixer, but you don't have to use it. You can use a wooden spoon if you want to. Add 2 cupfuls of vanilla essence to the eggs, and I'm going to beat that up before I add it to the mixture. Until all our flour, sieved flour and baking powder is incorporated into it, slowly. So I added my milk just to make it a nice consistency, and we're ready to go now. I'm going to get the mixture with 2 spoons, and I'm going to just literally drop them into the cases. And now for our butter icing. I've just combined all the ingredients. I'm going to mix it until it's smooth and creamy. So now we're going to make our chocolate nests for the top of the cupcakes. And for that I melted 125 grams of chocolate, and I broke up some shredded wheat, and we're just going to mix the two together, and that will be our nests. Next, we're going to just get a spoonful of this mixture to make our nests, and we're just going to put it on parchment paper and let it go hard, because we have to let our cupcakes cool and cover them with the frosting, so we just have these ready. So now our cupcakes are cool, so we're going to cover them with our butter icing. You can pipe them if you like, but we're actually going to put nests on them, so there's really no need to pipe them for this.